Today we're going to do a little roundtable discussion with some of our customers. Could you explain the type of work you do in your shop?
We primarily are a collision repair shop. We do some restorations. We're not a large shop. We actually took advantage of the equipment that they have here to help us with not having to have a large shop and be able to be very efficient and be able to produce numbers and be economical about how we do it.
We're basically the only high-end collision shop in our area. The equipment from GFS, our new prep stations, paint booths, the REVO, the Speed, the Rapid have just, made that business, made them cars just, they're coming out of there like hotcakes right now, but with the quality is phenomenal.
So we just opened up a new facility 10 months ago, and we installed the REVO and their spray booth system, 2 downdrafts, 2 prep stations, 2 sanding decks. The equipment, in my opinion, is fantastic. And what I wanted to achieve was you drive the car in once and you slide it over, and that's what we achieved. And it's working out well. And GFS was the company that would accommodate me and worked with me with their engineers. They also had one in our local market, and I went to visit the facility. They had the REVO, they had the side load, so I felt comfortable knowing that they could achieve what I was looking for, and they have.
What's something you notice more than anything else by using GFS equipment?
The fact that it dries it so quickly, and you're not having to circulate air in the booth to move heat around, and you don't have hot cold spots, it cures the paint quicker and dust doesn't settle on it, and we're virtually not buffing.
What it's done for us, it's in our area, it's put us on the map because, there's nothing like our facility around. There's the next city next to us, Albuquerque, there's a few collision facilities that are bigger, but there's nothing in our state that's better equipped than what we have right now, and that's thanks in part to GFS, so thank you.
Generally showing customers your equipment has no value. Customers look at it and go, oh yeah, okay, great, whatever that is. But when you show them something as different as this REVO Speed is, they get it. They see the value, they're impressed. They've never heard of anything like that before.
In marketing, customers that want to come and walk through the shop, it's the first place I take them. The dry time, the cleanliness, the appearance, it's phenomenal.
What made you guys decide to upgrade your equipment? So were there certain pain points you had to work around, or what was sort of that decision where, okay, it's time for something new?
We were looking at the savings on utilities, we were looking at efficiency, we were looking at what was good for the employees, what was good for the car, and was good for our budget. And this REVO unit met all those requirements.
The product is phenomenal. Again, it's made in the U.S., support's there. If it breaks down, if your booth breaks down and you can't get a part, you're down. Mm-hmm. So that's what I was looking for. And then the Speed, that was just an add-on to the whole system.
When it came to the booth equipment, we done our research, we looked around, we seen what was out there, and at the end of the day, with what we were trying to achieve and our cycle time and the speed, the way the shop was laid out, the REVO and the GFS booths were the best fit.
My decision in going the direction, I think, was based on looking at the competition, summarizing up, and what was good for us and our customers, and this stuff's to fit the bill. It's just awesome. I can't say enough good things about it. I would never go back.